Give Neva her food. Give the food to Neva. Put it in Neva's mouth, Addison. Good girl. Do you love your doggie? Give her another piece. Yay! Say, here, Neva. Addison, say, cheese, I love you, Daddy. Oh, sorry, we gotta go get more food. Neva's hungry. Say hi, Daddy. Addison. She's very serious, Dad. Oh, okay. That's Neva's food. Love you.